fantastic night, amazing night, and it is over. Silver Raven Haunted House is closed. We're done, you fantastic creature, you. So they're not gonna come back, right? No, we're done. We're done. We are done. Done for the year. We're done.
We're done?
Done.
Really?
Really? It was fast, huh?
What's that?
We're done.
Really?
Didn't really take it off.
No, it didn't. It never did. It never let up even once. We're done, you beautiful creatures, you. Yes, all done. It is 10 and the line is gone.
Oh, okay.
Ah!
Randy. Randy.
We are done.
Will you videotaping through here?
We are done. We are done.
Awesome.
Silver Raven Haunted House 2023 is finito. Oh, yeah. We are all done. Time's up. Line's gone. Everyone is spooked.
Wow.
We've done our duty. It's time to go home. Absolutely. My hands is freezing. It really only now just got super cold.
Yeah. Which is really nice, honestly.
Yes, it is.
We didn't have any voting tonight?
No, we didn't have anybody. Everyone did so fantastic.
Well, I have a vote for somebody. Please. Julia. Come on in, you.